Hey everyone, it's Lol Pirates from Hack Forums again, and today I'm going to be recording for you a second tutorial on SQL injections. So you're going to need a few tools for this. You're going to need Firefox and Hackbar add-on, which you can find on my website. But I have a site already set up here. And this is some Canadian lacrosse team website. You're gonna want to go up to basically it doesn't really matter, the article doesn't matter. So I've done this before, but just for people who haven't seen the first tutorial, you're gonna first need to check for vulnerability by putting an apostrophe at the front or at the right side of the number. Then we need to find the number of columns that are displayed on the page. We need to do the order by command. 5's too big, 4's too big, 3 also too big, and it's going to end up being 2. So then we need to do our union select, and it's going to be, you're going to want to add a hyphen before the numbers so it becomes negative 200 and 245. You're going to want to type union select, and then the number of columns displayed on the page. So with this one, it's 1 and 2, and then the column should show up on the page. So see here we can see 2, so we're going to be using 2 just because it's the only one we can see. Once again, needing to check for the version to make sure it's 5.00 and higher, and sure enough it is. So then the next part we're going to do is we're going to need to do group underscore concat table underscore name from information underscore schema tables where table underscore schema equals database void, and I need that dash, and that should return with all the tables. Give it a second to load. Okay, so here we go. We have coach stats. Basically we're looking for a login or admin or users. But this one is a little bit tricky because you can see we have, find where it is. You have WP underscore edge users, but that in this case is actually not what we are looking for. We want coaches, and then this is where this Hackbar add-on comes on. We're going to use the MySQL character tool for the string that we want. It's going to be coaches. And that's going to return us with this basically, and this is just MySQL character code for coaches. You see 99 equals C O A C H E S, coaches. Then we need to take it and we need to find the columns that are contained inside coaches. So column name from information schema dot columns, and then you're going to want to change this from table underscore schema equals database void to table name equals, and then the word in the MySQL characters. So it's definitely probably not going to be coaches unless you're doing this website. It could be users, in which case it would be different. But okay, so that's going to give us all the columns for the coaches table. Basically we're looking for, like, same thing, password, username, if you haven't seen the first video tutorial I made. And here it is. Coach login, coach password. So then it gets a little bit easier. You don't have to remember all this stuff. So all this becomes moot, and it's from coaches, or it could be from users. Doesn't really matter. Just in this case it's coaches. So then coach login, and then our code for, I think it's 0A x3, no, 0A3x, I'm not sure. And then coach password, wait, hold on, open this up real quick, semicolon, I can't remember. Okay, I was close. It's 0x3a, and that's just going to give us colon there, so it makes it easier to separate. And there you have it once again. Another site vulnerable to SQL injection. Also, once again, for educational purposes only, and I chose this specific site because you're not going to be able to brute force the login. I've already tried, and it's not a common login name. So that's about it. Enjoy my second video tutorial.